What's up, everybody? Today, the theme is peace. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a really hard time finding peace in my day-to-day. The way that I live, the things that I do, it's go, 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 all the time. And to me, peace means a sense of calm, stillness, being in harmony with the universe, if you will. So that's what we'll be working on today. A little bit of peace. I'll meet you on the mat. So once you've made it to your mat, why don't you grab a bolster or a blanket or a couple blocks, anything that's going to be able to lift your hips above your knees. Get into a comfortable position. Pause the video now if you need to get anything extra, maybe some blankets, some nice candles, incense, essential oil. You get the drill. So go grab those things, anything that's going to make you feel good right now. And then come back when you're ready. Come into a comfortable seat. Relax the shoulders. You can bring your hands face up or down on the knees or the thighs. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a deep breath out through the nose. Close the eyes. Another long breath through the nose. And then exhale slowly through the mouth. Another one like that. Inhale through the nose, noticing as your rib cage expands left to right and the crown of your head grows taller. And exhale through the mouth. Sigh it out. We'll be doing a short meditation today with a little bit of breath work to come into calm, to come into stillness. The breath that we will be doing is 4 count inhale, 2 count pause at the top, and 6 count exhale. We'll do that for around about 10 minutes. We'll do the first few together. If the pause at the top creates stress in the body, you can release it. 4 count inhale, 6 count exhale. If you like to keep the pause, do so. And really focus on slowing down the breath. So we'll do the first few rounds together, and then I'll leave you in silence to count on your breath in your own mind. So close the eyes if they've fluttered open, relax the shoulders down the back, just slightly lean back in your pelvic bowl so that you're not leaned forward above the knees. Take one deep breath in and deep breath out. To begin. So inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 2, 1, and exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue on your count, lengthening the breath, slowing it all down. If you notice that you've lost the count, just come back to it, start over wherever you're at. Inhaling for 4, pause for 2, and exhale for 6. If you begin to notice thoughts coming into the mind, just acknowledge them and let them flutter through like butterflies, in and out, moving across the backs of your eyelids. And turn your attention back to the breath. Inhale for 4, pause for 2, and exhale for 6. And begin to see if you can make the breath even slower. Notice if you can stretch it out a little bit more. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, 2, 1, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release the breath. So now no longer trying to lengthen it or shape it. Allow it to come back to its natural rhythm. But keep your mind's eye on the breath. As you inhale, notice the temperature of the breath as it moves through the nose and down into the body. Notice the way it moves and feels. And on the exhale, imagine the body getting lighter as the breath leaves. Continue to keep your mind's eye on the breath. Allow it to be natural. And as you're ready, lengthen the back of the neck, dip the chin, bring the hands to prayer at heart center. Take a deep breath in here through the nose. And exhale through the nose. And softly allow the eyes to flutter open, to take in the color of the floor, the mat beneath you. And coming back into the present moment. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. I hope it brought you some peace. Feel free to practice this daily if it was enjoyable for you. And I'll see you tomorrow for our next class together. Namaste.